Hey tech lovers, big news from Oppo. They've just launched a smartphone that's turning heads with a massive 7,000 mAh battery, blazing fast 80-watt charging, and a starting price of just 17,999 rupees. Meet the brand new Oppo K13 5G. Let's break down everything you need to know about this powerhouse. The Oppo K13 5G has officially joined the K series lineup in India, and it's loaded with features that are sure to impress. At its core, it's powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM for smooth performance. But the real showstopper, that 7,000 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. And if you're always on the go, the 80-watt SUPERVOOC charging will take you from 0 to 62% in just 30 minutes and 100% in under an hour. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Let's talk display. You're getting a stunning 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1,200 nits of brightness. That means ultra-smooth scrolling, vibrant visuals, and visibility even under bright sunlight. Plus, it works even if your hands are wet or you're wearing gloves. Perfect for all kinds of weather. On the back, you've got a dual camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Selfie lovers, you'll appreciate the 16-megapixel Sony front camera. Oppo has also packed in AI tools like AI Clarity Enhancer, AI Eraser 2.0, and even AI Unblur, perfect for those on-the-go Instagram edits. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, the Oppo K13 delivers smooth performance thanks to the Adreno GPU, UFS 3.1 storage, and Snapdragon Elite gaming features. Plus, with AI Link Boost 2.0, expect better connectivity and minimal lag. It even includes a vapor cooling chamber and a large graphite sheet to keep the phone cool under pressure. The device is IP65 rated, so it can handle dust and splashes. You also get dual stereo speakers, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and even an IR remote control, handy for controlling home appliances. Now, let's talk price. The Oppo K13 5G starts at just 17,999 rupees for the 8GB plus 128GB model, and 19,999 rupees if you want the 256GB version. It'll be available in two eye-catching colors, Icy Purple and Prism Black. Sales start from April 25th on Oppo's official website and Flipkart. So if you've been waiting for a power-packed phone that doesn't break the bank, the Oppo K13 5G might just be your next upgrade. What do you think about the Oppo K13 5G? Is the 7,000 mAh battery a game changer? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.